to say here is the continuation of the gametogenesis. So we try to establish mitosis that establish the two germ cells, the female and male germ cells. We assume there has been formed due, the, due to mitosis, sharing of chromatin material. Chromatin material are hereditary material carrying the
Excuse me,
character.
lecturer.
Yes,
Question, lecturer.
you said
May you share your screen?
it's not sharing.
Yes.
Really, but it's showing me sharing here. Okay, okay, let me. Okay,
We didn't see it.
okay. Can you see it now?
No.
It's,
No,
show, it's showing me sharing here.
no.
You are
Yes,
seeing it, sir.
you can see it now.
Is it there?
Yes,
Is
it
it
is
there
here.
now? Okay.
It
Because it's
is.
showing me it's sharing, so it's taking long time to arrive there, maybe. So, well, in what I'm trying to say at this point, this is an interesting course, and what I try to explain, and I keep repeating so that you can catch up, depending on who is joining, is the fact that gametogenesis is the formation of the male and female gamete, and I said for that to take place, it has to undergo what we call mitosis. Mitosis is the sharing, equal sharing of the hereditary material uh, to complete the 46 chromatin or gene or the chromosome material of the non-normal chromatins. So now what I'm trying to explain here is that now out of all the chromosomes, we have the male and female chromosome. The female has the X's, the male has the XY. And I say, when you look at it, this is the primary reason why they say the male is the is the is the sex determinant. Male or every male is a sex determinant. It is a male who give the female or who determine I am going to have a female child. I'm going to have a male child. Science and medicine, as a doctor, you are expected to know and how to advise your patient how to get a male child and how to get a female child. Is that understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So as you go into the career, you will see that the XY chromosome from the male, they they have a specific time they are produced in your body, and they have a physical characteristics, how long they stay in the uterus after ejaculation, and how long the X can stay, and how long the Y can stay. And these they have all those characteristics. Because of those characteristics, you can now determine, no, this time around I want to produce a female child, this time around I want to produce a male child, and you can advise your patient, your client, in that same direction. As you continue, as we study, if it is in the class, I can explain it better for you to know. Each of these chromosomes has a physical characteristics, and that physical characteristic is what you use to determine when and how to have a male or a female child. Is that understood?
Yes, it's understood, but is the probability of having a girl baby or a boy baby equal?
Yeah, of course. There are the probably they are high. They are always high chances. They are all high chances. They are high chances, okay, of having to determine when to get a baby girl, or when you tell your patient this is how you are going to have a baby, because we have this problem in the society where a woman give birth to only the male children, the man is not happy or the woman is not happy, or the woman give birth to female children, the man is not happy because of that. You see that the man will go and look for another woman. Okay, or the woman can say this man only can produce only male child, or all those things. They are problem in the society. This course, at the end, to enable you to understand, as I'm telling you as a teacher, that there are high chances of having to determine when to have a male and a female child. And why? Because the X and Y chromosome have physical characteristics, and it's also due to when you are ejaculating you are ejaculating them out, and it all depends on the period you are ejaculating it at, and what you wanted and how you want it. Is that clear? As you go into more study in your career, you will understand that. But I'm giving you the basic signs that all those things are possible and they have a high chances. Is that understood?
Yes, but lecturer, there is a saying which says like there might be a time when like you want to have like a baby girl and you can have it. So is that possible to predict like a sex
Yeah,
to?
your voice is cracking. Can anyone is my voice cracking? My voice, your voice is dragging. I can't hear you very well.
Okay, lecturer, I was saying uh
Yes,
there are, I
express
was saying
yourself.
that
Don't be shy. We're in the class.
yes, lecturer, I was saying there is a saying which says like you can predict whether you have a baby girl or a baby boy. You can predict to have them.
Hmm.
Is that possible?
Come again. The last, the what? Your word crack. The last word. What is your last word? You say whether it's possible.
I just said, is it
Yes.
possible to predict whether you will have a baby girl or a baby boy?
Mm-hmm. Is
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 it possible
is
to predict
is
that?
is on? Yeah, is 95% possible.
So how
Okay.
should you know that?
That's what I'm trying to say. We are going to study when you study the physical characteristic of X chromosome from the man, and then the Y chromosome from the female, from the male too. You see that maybe it is maybe beyond our scope, but I'm giving you the basic science is that the high chance of prediction is 95% because one, the X chromosome that you ejaculate, it move it move the Y the X move slowly, the Y move faster. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we understand.
Yes, sir.
If you look at the chromosome, that's what I was trying. If you look at the chromosome, the X is very slow, the Y is very, very fast. So when you ejaculate, immediately you ejaculate into the female vaginal orifice, the, the Y move very, very, the Y move very, very fast, and it will die after 48 hours. Is that clear?
Yes, it is very clear.
Then
Yeah.
the X, the Y would die after 48 hours. Why the Y would die after 48? Why the X can stay for 92 hours, 96 hours? So because the X stay up to 92 hours, then you can now time the lady when she's going to ovulate. So if you allow her, if she ovulates, maybe she ovulates today, you meet her today, then the Y will fertilize the egg before the X will come. Is that understood?